In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to fix not receiving your Supercell ID verification on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now I know it can be super upsetting whenever you're trying to log in or add an account verification, and for whatever reason, your code just won't go through. But with a little luck and ease, and with the help from your girl KT, you too can fix this. Ka-chow. First, go ahead and open the settings app. Now, scroll all the way down till you see the mail icon. Tap on that. Then, click on accounts. Now, you'll need to make sure that the email that is showing is associated with your Supercell ID. To do that, tap on it. If the mail icon is off, then go ahead and turn it on. Now that you've done that, exit the settings icon and head on over to your mail or Gmail account. Now, you'll want to look for a verification email from Supercell ID, and if you can't find it, go ahead and pull down and refresh your screen. Now, if you've tried that and you still didn't receive a verification code, then you'll need to turn off your VPN. To do this, head on back to the settings icon, and you'll need to look for General. Scroll down until you see VPN and Device Management. Click on that. Tap on VPN, and if it stays connected, tap on the toggle button to disconnect it. And if this still didn't work, don't worry, there's still hope. We'll just have to contact support to do this. Open up any Supercell game. I'll be using Clash of Clans to do this. Now that you've made it to the homepage, click on the settings icon. Tap on Help and Support. Then click on Account and tap on Supercell ID. Now click Leave a Message. Tap on Account Access in Supercell ID. And that's how to fix not receiving your Supercell ID. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye guys. Like and subscribe.